Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here, I know it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube. I figure start off by doing a review of the Pedal Commander. I just got this yesterday. Tried filming this like 3 or 4 times, but some of my cameras aren't working. I need to get some new up-to-date equipment. But anyway, basically it comes in a little box like so. It fits in a little box. You got a wet nap to clean the area where you can put your sticky pad. You got 2 zip ties just to tie up the extra wires so you don't have excess hanging down underneath hitting your legs while you drive. But anyway, they're all here. Let me put that up there. I know it's backwards for you guys. The Pedal Commander is on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Here's the code here. Use that little box and you can download it to your phone, the Bluetooth that is needed. Also, they very important to download that Bluetooth to your phone. They want to make sure that you know that. There's 2 pieces, and then they give you an installation book, which comes in about 10 different languages. Here's example. Well, the first page is very simple. It shows you how original is supposed to hook up in English, and how when you take these two to hook them up to your pedal. And the first language is British, which I'm supposedly think that's English. There's no US flag in this. They got British, Turkish, German, I want to say French. I want to say a French flag, but I'm not sure. I haven't studied my flags recently. I have not been in school for quite a long time. And then you got, you got Arabic and Chinese. So anyway, there's an installation manual, your 2 little cards to download the Bluetooth app, and let's pull this out. Glad my neighbor shut off his car. He a real His car is black. It's basically a Lincoln. Has black, the shading on the windows. It's so black that he has to crack his window an inch so he can look out. He thinks this is stylish, and then he's got a racing motor in it, and he runs up and down the street, and he thinks this is cool. It's a young kid. So, but anyway, all right. But here, you can take this off the back of the Pedal Commander. You got 4 modes with 5 settings under that mode. well, it says 4 on here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But imagine if you're just in eco mode, that'll be 0. And then you can adjust it. So there should be 5 modes. But this comes off of this. You can basically take the sticky and put it somewhere where are you out of the way. For me, I'm thinking like right here in this area. I have to clean it off with the sponge they gave me, but I want to plug it in first. And let's go underneath here. So let's look here. Here is the pedal, and I'm getting a feel for this. Let me see here. Okay, and then there's a little, and then you gotta pull up on it. Oh, come on. It's hard to work with one hand while filming. Okay, there we go. Got it apart. Okay, now let's come back. Let's get and go into snap it in. And I can't see. I'm a mechanic, so pretty much I do everything by feel. Okay, turn it around. Alright, I'm gonna have to. Let's do this. Alright, it's hooked in. It's hooked in, as you can see. Now this is where I gotta put it up on the dash and see. Alright, gotta put it up on the dash here. So let me go ahead and get the little white cloth out. It smells Windexy. Ooh, powerful. Alright. Oh, I wonder if I can almost run it. Oh, I can almost run it up through here. So let me just put that there. See if I can't get it. Nope, I can't. They got it blocked with a plate, metal. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know. Can I? No. Shoot. Wow, that is metal. A metal plate. A metal plate. Wow. All right. Okay. There we are. Okay, we got it out there, and I got this area cleaned off. And let's peel the stickers. Ah, man. They really... That's some tough... Ooh, I hope that ain't Gorilla Glue. I love it. I love it. I went to Tractor Supply and was joking with the lady about making a hair salon. You know, all the products they have, like Gorilla Glue and all those cements they have there, and JB Weld. we could get some real good hairdos going on. And, you know, it lasts for a while. You believe it or not. Or better yet, just have a salon with just the names of different hairdos of Gorilla Glue, JB Weld, and whatever you could think of. Let's see here. This is Velcro, by the way. So you can peel it off if you need to. But I probably won't ever need to, so just go ahead and put it right there where I can see it. As you see, right there in that little spot. And then I got the coming down. Really, I didn't even need the bracket. Oh, shoot. I messed up. Let's see if we can't get that off the back there. Oh, woo, I'm glad. There we go. Well, you could put it on that way if you wanted to, because it's Velcro. You can take it off. That Velcro is something. Alright, well, and then put it back on there like so. Put that in there, back in its case, and then, well, maybe I'll just put it down. I like to see it, so we'll put it over. It's just sticky enough. All right, good. And we'll go down underneath and use these zip ties. I need something to prop you guys up. And all right, we take this and this and fold it up, and then we got the zip tie, and there's a little metal bar here. This little metal bar, I'll just zip tie that around that. Oh, come on, work with me here, zip tie. Okay. And there we go. Eventually I'll get a pair of cutters. And I will cut that off. But for now it's good to go. And I only used one tie. One little tie. So, and I took the liberty of downloading the app already. So yes, I took the liberty of downloading the app, and we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. And there was little lights that went back and forth. So to show you that it's on, okay, said vehicle's on, I'll say okay, doors ajar, okay, but as you can see, my fuel efficiency is 18.1 miles per gallon. .1 miles per gallon. So we'll give this about a week, and then I will make a video and post that one on how well the pedal commander is doing. Also how I got to get an external camera, get my other camera working, and then I can externally show you the app as well. Well, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and if you want more videos like this, comment. Thank you.